Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a brand new collection, limited edition box by Latest in Beauty, and it's in collaboration with Holland and Barrett. It is such a big box, it is really heavy, really heavy. So inside this box contains 19 of the best Holland and Barrett beauty products that are all vegan. The box costs £30 and it has a value of £120. Now if you subscribe to the monthly subscription box by Latest in Beauty, in this month's box or last month's box, whenever you ordered last, you will receive a £5 code off any of these collection boxes, so you're able to use it against this box. Now I've got a code, so I'll pop that down in the description. If you're interested in taking this box out for yourself, then you're welcome to use my code. That's not affiliated to me, that code is what was given to everyone that receives a monthly beauty box. This box is kindly gifted. I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list and they send me out some of their collection boxes, and I was really hoping that they'd send this out to me because it's an amazing box, really jam-packed full, and I can't wait to open it up and show you what's inside. I wanted to get the Holland and Barrett advent calendar for last year, but I just never got round to getting it, so if they're going to do one for 2020, I'm definitely going to get it because I know a lot of you really liked it. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So there's a little voucher there from Holland and Barrett for 10% off all the products. And then we got a leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products. Because there's a lot of items here, I'll be going through them quite quickly showing you. But if there's any items that I don't know what they do or anything, I'll refer to this as we go along. It's just a little message here. It says, when we decided we wanted to do a vegan edit, it was important for us to partner with a brand that was known for vegan beauty. And Holland and Barrett came straight to our mind. We're excited for you to try our first ever vegan beauty edit. So the first item is a toothbrush. Now I've had one of these before. I had like a mint green one and it's nice. It is really nice. I love this little holder here. Can you see? I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see because it's yeah, reflecting, but you've got a little tiny holder there, so you're able to just pop it up on your like windowsill or your sink or something, and it's really good. So this is biodegradable, it's a non-plastic, tapered bristles, zero waste. So yes, we got a toothbrush. Then to go with it, we got some toothpaste. Ooh, sorry. We got some toothpaste, and this is by Optima, and it is Aloe Dent Aloe Vera Fluoride Toothpaste, and it's whitening, and it says aloe vera plus silica for natural protection, protects healthy gums and whitens teeth discoloured by tea and coffee, smoking, red wine and staining. 100 mils there. That's what it looks like there. So a nice big toothpaste. Woo! Gosh, butterfingers. So there's that. Next we got something that says Salt of the Earth Classic Unscented Effective Natural Deodorant Crystal, and it's plastic free. That's the outer packaging, and it's got here long-lasting protection, 100% natural ingredients, no white marks, not tested on animals, and plastic free. I'm the strong, dependable type of deodorant. You may not see or smell me, but I work as hard as you do and I leave no trace naturally. Oh my gosh, oh my word, look, it's just like, it's just a block of salt. Well, there might be other things in there. I'm not too clued up about these things. Oh, look at that. Ooh, can you see this? Sorry. Look at that. That is so cool. I like the fact that it's rounded, so you just go, ooh. It says, apply me to damp skin after washing, to use me on dry skin, wet me first, then apply. And then it says then to make sure you dry this before you put it back in either this or something else. That is super cool. I really like that. I can't wait to get out to try. I have tried other natural deodorants, but they've been like balms, and in all honesty, they haven't worked. I haven't noticed any different, but I really like the idea of this. So we got a natural deodorant there. And then we got a hairspray, and this is by Nature Tint Naturally Better. And this is baobab extract, lemon fruit water and sunflower seed extract. Repair, protect and seal split ends. Effective non-tacky hold. Got 30 mils there. There. Let's have a go. We're weary about spraying. Let's see what that is like. Oh, in my face. Yeah, I can feel it's got a bit of a light hold there. I wouldn't say it is really strong hold, but no, that's quite nice. That is quite nice. So we've got a hairspray. Next we got a push-up buttocks. Elifexer Natural Beauty. It's a sculpting gel, shapes, smooths and firms. Hypoallergenic, and 99.6% of total ingredients are from natural origins. And we've got 40 mils there. Do these creams really work? Do they? Do they? Or do you have to have like a quite small bottom to begin with not much sagging and cellulite in order to notice any improvements? Or is it... Basically what I'm trying to say is, I'm an overweight person in my 40s. Is it really going to change the way my bottom half looks? I don't know. I don't know. No smell, but it feels nice. So I'll give that a go on my bum. But does it say anything else here? It's to help refine the look of buttock contours. Okay. And it just says apply in the morning and at night with an upward massaging motion. So here's that. Oh, we got more for your mouth. This is Ecodenta Supernatural Oral Care Black Whitening Mouth Foam, oak charcoal, mint essential oil plus salts, fluoride free, alcohol free, and it's got approved by dentists, 150 mils there. I am really curious to see what this is like. Take this bottle and give it a good shake. Fill the mouth with 2 full squeezes, then rinse for about 10 to 20 seconds and spit it out. I've tried charcoal toothpaste before and I've tried the powder ones though, and they're not great. I did try a more of a charcoal balm. Now that was fine. I could do that and it tastes really nice and fresh. But no, the charcoal powders in the mouth, you know, you're supposed to like massage it, or you're supposed to brush in your mouth and it just feels like you're brushing your teeth with sand, which is not a nice feeling, and then you're supposed to like rinse it out and stuff, but no, I don't know why I'm shaking it. I'm not going to be doing it on here just in case I have black splats all over my face. It's an innovative formula offering long-lasting freshness and defense against plaque. That sounds super cool, really, really cool, and it's a nice big size as well. Next we got a body wash, and I've had this before. I've had a little mini version and it is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. So this is Faith in Nature Dragon Fruit Body Wash, and it's revitalizing, and it just says vegan, made in the UK, cruelty free, 400 mils, and it's got no SLS or parabens. So a nice big bottle there. And this is gorgeous. I am so chuffed that I've got one of these. Really chuffed. Oh, it smells so nice. I love that. Absolutely love that. So yeah, so that's a bath and shower gel. Next we've got something for the hair, and this is Sea Magic Sanitas Per Aqua, if I said that right, 3 seaweed scalp mud. There's 150 mils, and it says a daily conditioning treatment to soothe scalp and hydrate hair, infused with 3 organic seaweeds, dead sea mud and pure coconut oil, vegan, natural, free from, sustainable, cruelty free and silicone free. So it's a mask for your hair. Great for comforting an itchy scalp whilst naturally conditioning the hair. And then it goes into telling you how you can use it then. So we've got something for the hair there. Next we've got a product for the skin, and this is Salcura Anti-Acne Fast Effective Natural Active Gel Serum, and this is max strength for clear skin, rich in omegas, vitamin A and zinc, rapid action spot control, tea tree, aloe vera and eucalyptus, and we've got 15 mils. So it's like a gel to combat acne. What I find interesting is got a list of all the products that are inside this, which is really cool, isn't it? Really cool. It says here, an effective targeted therapy to quickly reduce spots and blemishes in as little as 4 hours. The fast-acting gel serum contains a powerful blend of natural and clinically proven ingredients to effectively calm the skin and clear any breakouts. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. But 4 hours. Now that'll come in handy for my teens in the house, so hopefully that will work for them. So is that. I've had this before as well, and it's gorgeous. It's a Pulse Point Sleep Better rollerball, and it's by Tisserand Aromatherapy. It contains jasmine, sandalwood and lavender, and it's a pure essential oil blend. You've got 10 mils there. So you just put it on your pulse points. Put it on your pulse points, and it's supposed to calm and relax you, and it's supposed to help aid sleep. It just says here, blissful blend to pop in your pocket, handbag, or keep beside your bed to enjoy better nights and brighter mornings. So is that. I've got Dr. Organic Bioactive Hair Care, so it's for your hair, and this is, I have to look sideways because I can't really see it. This is a hemp oil, shampoo and conditioner, a 2-in-1 with bilberry extract. It's fortifying, replenishing, gentle conditioning, and it says here fresh and restore, and it's 265 mils. Ooh, there, you can see it there, get that ring light out of the picture. So a nice big bottle there. It's got a huge list of really nice ingredients like rosemary leaf oil, eucalyptus, peppermint, patchouli, geranium, bilberry fruit. There's a big list of all the natural nice ingredients on the back there. This replenishing 2-in-1 conditioner shampoo stimulates the hair, leaving it looking and feeling refreshed and visibly conditioned. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. Now me personally, I'm a little bit wary of 2-in-1s, and that's just because of my hairdressing background. It was always like, oh no, you should never use a 2-in-1 because it's really bad for your hair, and they contain ingredients to like coat your hair, which is not healthy and stuff. But that was many years ago, so I'm assuming things have changed as they do. I will give it a go. I'll see what that is like. So is that. Next we've got a fruit. Oh, it's a watermelon lip balm. Fresh, Fruitalicious Organic Cosmetics. This is a little lip balm there. Oh, I love watermelon. Absolutely love it. Oh yeah, it just smells like, you know, those candy kitten sweets. Have you ever tried them? The watermelon ones. Oh, they're just lovely. Really lovely. But that's what it looks like there. Just roll up there. So you got a lip balm. Now I got 2 of these, and I'm not sure if that's a mistake or not. On the leaflet it doesn't mention that we'll receive 2, but no, I'm not too sure. So maybe you might receive 2 or not, I don't know. But they're by Urban Veda, and they're soothing day creams, and it's sandalwood and botanics, and it says organic aloe vera, soothing ylang ylang, and for sensitive skins. And it's got on the back, you're cruelty free and vegan. It tells you how to use it. They're 10 mils each. This is day creams there. Got a product by Wyleda, and this is citrus. Citrus something anyway. I'm assuming it's a, I'll have a look here. It's a hydrating body lotion. This exquisitely cooling and lightweight body lotion with natural oils awakens the mind, body and spirit, leaving skin feeling fully moisturised. I love anything citrus. I'll use my other hand. Anything citrus, I absolutely love it. Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh, it just smells like limes. It's just strong lime smell. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Yeah, so we've got a hydrating body lotion by Wyleda. Next we've got a product by The Beauty Kitchen, and this is Naturline 100% natural, zero petroleum, vegan lip treatment. Now, I've got one of these, but it's blue. I wonder what the difference is. They are fab. They're just a normal lip balm, as you'd imagine a lip balm, unless this is any different, but the blue one I've got, it hasn't got any like fragrance or anything like that, but it is really, really nice. I got it in my car. I'll have to have a look online to see if there's any difference between the blue one I've got and this green one. There's that. 3 more to go, and we've got a product by Silkin, and this is a cleansing oil, paraben free for all skin types, super greens, 125 mils. This looks like there. Very small writing, oh my wish. Our lightweight super greens cleansing oil melts away makeup and dissolves dirt through a combination of sunflower and grapeseed oils. Our antioxidant rich super greens blend of kale, parsley, chlorella leaves skin bright and healthy, and it just tells you how to use it then by soaking it in a pad and applying it to your face to clean. So that sounds lovely. That sounds really, really nice. So we've got cleansing oil. Then we got something, this is by Holland and Barrett's own brand. And this is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, 100% naturally derived to brighten and restore. And it's a serum, and we've got 30 mils here. Just get it out. So that's what it looks like there. This serum is packed with ingredients known to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The vitamin C is an antioxidant that is known to help stimulate collagen production, and the hyaluronic acid creates a protective layer on the skin surface, leaving you with soft, firm and moisturised skin. This combination also helps leave your skin looking bright and youthful. And it says use twice daily after cleansing, gently smooth a small amount over your face and neck. And it says best results when used in combination with Holland and Barrett's other beauty products. That is going to be so handy for me because I currently wear hyaluronic acid every day, and also I use vitamin C in my skincare products as well. So having just one product to combine them both is going to be so good. So no, I can't wait to give that a go. So there's that. And then lastly in the box, we've got Northern Soap for deep facial cleansing, and this is by Natural Siberica, and it's a Beauty Challenger Awards winner in France. And it's born in Siberia, made with wild harvested Siberian herbs, based on activated charcoal, and I can't read the rest. I can't read the rest. Okay, so we got 30 mils here. I'll open it up and see if it says anything extra. Oh, I can't open it. It's stuck. That's what it looks like. Experience the deep cleansing power of activated charcoal and draw impurities from deep within the skin for a complexion that leaves skin health and sparkling. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like soap, but also, is it almond or marzipan? Just very, very slightly. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wash that off my hand now. So that's a bit interesting. So we got a face cleanser there. So those are all the products. So to recap, I'm just going to go through them all one by one, showing you what's inside this box. We've got Holland and Barrett vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. We've got a Sukin cleansing oil. We've got Urban Vida soothing day creams. We've got a Beauty Kitchen natural line lip treatment. We've got a Wyleda citrus body lotion. Fruit watermelon lip balm. Dr. Organic Hemp Oil shampoo and conditioner in one. We got a Push Up Buttocks cream by Elifexia. We got a Sea Magic seaweed scalp mud. Got a Nature Tint hairspray. We got a Salcura blemish cream or gel. We got Salt of the Earth classic deodorant. We got an Optima Alodent toothpaste, a whitening toothpaste. We got an EcoDenta black whitening face foam. No, mouth foam. NFCO biodegradable toothbrush. Tizaran Better Sleep Pulse Point roller. We've got Natural Siberica natural cleansing balm. And lastly, Faith in Nature dragon fruit body wash. So those are all the products inside this brand new collection box by Latest Beauty, who have collaborated with Holland and Barrett to create this 100% vegan edition. So I'm really chuffed with it. I think it's an amazing, amazing box. There's a lot of items that I'm going to be using in there. Some things I will use, but other things like other members of the family will use as well. I do think it's a really, really lovely box. I'd love to know your thoughts. Is this a box for you, or do you think, nah, not for me, doesn't excite me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak soon. Take care. Bye.